Here's our top pick for the best testosterone pills. 1. Testogen. 2. Testosil. 3. TestRX. You can visit the official website and get the best price for these pills by checking out the link in the description box or pinned comment below this video. If you want to learn more about our recommended testosterone pills, then continue watching. First, let's talk about Testogen. Testogen works by naturally stimulating the body's testosterone production, helping to improve energy, muscle growth, libido, and overall performance. Key components include D-aspartic acid, which stimulates hormone release, and fenugreek extract, known for boosting libido and energy. Zinc and vitamin D3 contribute to overall testosterone levels, while magnesium supports muscle function and recovery. Panax ginseng and boron enhance stamina and strength, and nettle leaf extract helps regulate free testosterone. With added bioperine for better absorption, Testogen's formula is crafted to optimize male vitality, muscle growth, and performance. If you want a balanced, all-in-one testosterone booster that improves libido, strength, and energy, Testogen is a great choice. Next one is Testosil. Testosil is a premium testosterone booster designed to enhance strength, energy, and overall male vitality. It stands out from Testogen by incorporating clinically backed ingredients like KSM-66 ashwagandha, which is known for its powerful testosterone boosting and stress-reducing properties. While both supplements contain key nutrients like D-aspartic acid, zinc, and vitamin D3, Testosil emphasizes a science-driven formula with higher bioavailability for better absorption and faster results. Unlike Testogen, which focuses more on libido and muscle growth, Testosil provides a well-rounded approach to hormone balance, cognitive function, and endurance, making it a superior choice for men seeking comprehensive testosterone support. If you prefer a clinically backed formula that not only increases testosterone but also reduces stress and enhances endurance, Testosil is the better option. The last one is TestRX. TestRX is a natural testosterone booster designed to enhance muscle growth, energy levels, and overall male vitality. Compared to Testosil and Testogen, TestRX focuses more on athletic performance and recovery, making it ideal for men looking to improve strength and endurance. While it shares key ingredients like D-aspartic acid and zinc with both competitors, TestRX includes a unique blend of vitamins and herbs, such as fenugreek and vitamin B6, to support protein synthesis and muscle development. If you're a younger man or an athlete looking for muscle-building support, TestRX may be the better option. Did you find our video useful? If yes, please share this video and hit the like and subscribe button. If you have questions, don't hesitate to leave us a comment.